Welcome back, everybody. In the last video, I was explaining what I was doing by putting some inner tube rubber on the bottom of the feet for the trestles to help give them some grip and not slide when they're used. And I won't get into all of that, but you can go back and watch that video. The sound cut out, and so I'm doing another one here, hoping that I have enough sound to at least explain what I did and what I'm going to do still. So I have completed putting inner tube rubber on the bottom of the feet, all 4 feet on both trestles. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp them to each other overnight, bring the rubber together, clamp them so that the double stick tape pulls tight to the rubber and has time to bond. So I don't know if that's necessary or if it's wise or if it means anything. But I thought I'd do a short video here to explain what got cut off of the end of the last video. So thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.